If you are a creative professional who uses any of these tools, you should join us at Creative Pro Week, July 8th through the 12th in Washington, D.C. It is the how-to conference to level up your skills and unlock your full potential. Each session is carefully curated by world-renowned experts to help you work faster, smarter, and happier. It's more than just the sessions, though. Creative Pro Week is where you'll meet your people. You know, the ones who get it and speak your language, who face the same challenges with the same passion. It's basically a massively good time filled with great people, loads of learning, and no egos. And the best part, you'll have access to up to 70 plus session recordings and speaker handouts for a full year. So you can rewatch whenever you need a little refresher. If you want the knowledge, confidence, and competitive edge to succeed in today's fast-paced design world, join us at Creative Pro Week 2024. You can grab your pass now at creativeproweek.com. And we will see you in DC.